GE Elemax is a high-performing air and water barrier that can be used on any commercial or residential building. It is a simple, fluid-applied system that can be applied over most substrates in a one-coat application without the need for a primer. The simple product line consists of a liquid flashing, stainless steel self-adhering flashing, pre-cured silicone rubber accessories, RF100 reinforcing fabric, and GE Elemax 2600 air and water resistive barrier coating. No primers are required. Installation. Rough opening detailing method A. GE Elemax 5000 liquid flashing. Apply GE Elemax 5000 liquid flashing to the rough opening. Trowel a minimum of 3 inches onto the wall and 3 inches into the rough opening. Apply and tool liquid flashing to the inside corners of the rough opening to ensure seamless coverage. Rough opening detailing method B. GE Elemax 2600 air and water resistive barrier coating used with RF100 reinforcing fabric. Apply and tool GE Elemax 5000 liquid flashing to all visible gaps, framing corners, and non-flush sheathing to framing transitions in the rough opening. Cut a minimum 6-inch wide RF100 reinforcing fabric to the appropriate length and shape. Reinforcing fabric must extend a minimum of 3 inches into the rough opening and 3 inches onto the wall. Beginning at the sill, apply a liberal first coat of GE Elemax 2600 air and water resistive barrier by roller or sprayer to a minimum thickness of 10 mils, extending the coat 1 inch beyond the reinforcing fabric installation location. While still wet, set the reinforcing fabric into the GE Elemax 2600 air and water resistive barrier coating, folding and cutting segments up inside the corners. Apply a second 10 mil coat of Elemax 2600 air and water resistive barrier to ensure a pinhole-free application. Apply to the jamb next, overlapping the application into the bottom corners. Ensure the segments overlap a minimum of 2 inches. Apply to the header last, overlapping at the top corners. Rough opening detailing method C. Stainless steel flashing. If using stainless steel flashing for the treatment of rough openings, please refer to the details and installation instructions on our website. Sheathing joint and transition detailing. Sheathing joint detailing method A. GE Elemax 5000 liquid flashing. For sheathing joints or transitions, any seam 1/2 inch or less can be treated with method A. Elemax 5000 liquid flashing. Sheathing joint detailing method B. Elemax 2600 and RF100 fabric. For method B transitions, embed 4 inches of RF100 fabric between 2 10 mil coats of GE Elemax 2600. Detailing static gaps greater than 1/2 inch. Seal static gaps up to 4 inches using GE Elemax self-adhering stainless steel flashing. Dynamic gap detailing. For dynamic or expansion joints, use GE Ultraspan UST 2200 preformed silicone. Inside and outside corner detailing. Inside and outside corners can be sealed using GE Elemax 5000 liquid flashing method A. When using method A on outside corners, apply a minimum of 3 inches of liquid flashing onto each plane. For inside corners, apply a minimum of 1/4 inch fillet bead of liquid flashing. Refer to our design details for using method B on corners. Treating under or over-driven screw heads. Treat over or under-driven screw heads with liquid flashing. GE Elemax 2600 air and water resistive barrier coating application. Apply in a single coat application at 19 mils wet, as measured using a wet film thickness gauge. For roller applications, a 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch nap can be used. When spraying over CMU, back rolling is necessary. Please visit siliconeforbuilding.com for more product information and information on becoming an authorized applicator today.